Hello, library friends. Today's activity is nature weaving. The theme this year for Mental Health Awareness Week is nature, and today we're going to show you how to make a loom. We took a walk along the New River on a sunny day and thought about how calming it felt to be outdoors, away from busy environments. On your walk, keep an eye out for small branches on the ground. You'll need 4 of them to make up your frame. You'll also need some string to fasten the branches in place, and some lighter thread or yarn for your loom. You'll need a pair of scissors and a handful of flowers, stems, and articles of interest. Take your string and tie a knot around the end of your first branch. Take your second branch, hold it in place, and begin to wind the string over and around the cross section until you feel the 2 branches are secure. Tie a knot. You can now trim off any excess string. Take your second branch and tie a knot around the opposite end. Grab your third branch and repeat the step. Be mindful about this exercise. Think about how it makes you feel. Are you enjoying it? Do you find it fiddly? Can you invite a sense of appreciation for this particular moment? You will now have a frame. Take your lightweight yarn and tie it to one edge of your frame. You may want to double knot this string to keep it in place. Now wind the string over the opposite edge. You can wrap it around the branch for extra hold. Then take the string back to the branch you started with and continue this step over and over until you reach the opposite end of where you started. Take a moment to reflect on your surroundings. What sounds can you hear? What can you smell? How's your breathing? When you have wound the string the entire width of your frame, you'll now be ready to weave with the natural items you've collected along the way. Thread in and out between the strings. It doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, I'm missing a few strands, but really what you want to create is your choice. Do whatever makes you feel good and whatever comes to mind. It's not a race to finish first. The colours of your flowers don't have to match, and the blades of grass can be close to withering. Remember, nothing is permanent. Just focus on how weaving makes you feel. This is all a process. You've picked up materials you found along your way, on your journey, and now you're creating some art with it. I particularly like these dandelion stems because they have a touch of colour. Remember to be respectful of nature too. When you've finished your loom, hang it up in your home or place it outdoors as a healthy reminder of what you did today.